In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And in order to clear your cache, first you need to go to your settings, and then tap on General, and here select iPhone storage and wait for a couple of seconds. And now here you see how many space takes by apps, photos, messages and so on your device. Also here you can check your used and free space. So now to clear cache I need to go into each specific app and clear cache for that specific app. Like I want to clear cache for iMovie, and there is only way to clear that cache is to offload app, confirm that action, and after that app will be offloaded, you tap on reinstall the app, and now you need to wait for some time until this app will be downloaded and reinstalled. This action will delete all data of that app and will reinstall it, so it clears all cache and all temporary files of that app. And that's the only way how you can clear cache on your iPhone. Make sure you like this video if it's helpful for you, and before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.